Oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. Hey there, budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, and welcome to this week's lesson. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time here, then a massive welcome, and this is what you should expect from my channel. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, and man, have I got a special treat today for you guys. Welcome to my mini-series on 90s boy bands. That's right, 90s boy bands. And when I think about 90s boy bands, I think about, ridiculously good-looking young guys, sickly sweet, pitch-perfect vocals, slick dance moves, and some questionable wardrobe options. But underneath that manufactured exterior, they did actually put together some really great songs that translate really well to acoustic guitar. And today I'm bringing you one of the biggest songs from one of the biggest bands of the era. Everybody by the Backstreet Boys was released in 1997, and it shot to #1 in a number of countries around the world. And it actually won MTV Awards Best Music Video for a Group that year for its amazing dance sequence and video set in a haunted house. Of course, the original song is a pop dance genre with lots of production value going on in the studio, but at Campfire Guitar Hero we don't have any of that. This is our weapon of choice, so I'm going to pair it back to you today, and you'll see how it's done on acoustic guitar. Look, from a Campfire Guitar Hero perspective, the chord pattern is pretty simple. It's an A minor, an F, and an E. And it repeats itself through the whole song, so it's that simple song structure which is often the secret to many great songs, and this one's no different. Now, to play this really well, you actually need to do the bar chords. You need to do an A minor bar chord, and there's of course the dreaded F. If you're having trouble with bar chords, I suggest you check out that video above. But otherwise, just try and play it on the open chords. I think the bar chords sound richer. As you will see in my playthrough, you'll see how I do that and how I add, variety to the song as I play through each of the verses. That song also has that distinct opening bass riff, which goes like this. And it has a driving bass beat through the whole song. But overall, it's a pretty easy song to learn. It's about the delivery of it. It's the vocals, you've got to commit to those, and you've got to mix up the guitar playing a bit, as I'm about to show you right now. Right, let's make a start. I recommend you download the free song sheet, which is available on my Patreon page, all the details below. It's got the chords, got all the lyrics, everything you need to be up and running. And there's no email required, just download it for free. And also note, I'm a left-hand guitarist playing on a guitar that's strung right-handed, so my finger patterns will appear upside down to a lot of people, but don't let that worry you, because I'll put the chord patterns up there, and all you need to do is make sure your fretting fingers are in the right place, and you can play along with me. All right, we'll just work our way through the song, starting at the start. The intro is the same as the chorus, and it goes pretty much like this. A minor, starting on the A minor, that's the root chord. Everybody, A minor, F, E. Rock your body, F, E, A minor. Body, rock your body right, A minor, F. Pretty simple, huh? Now I'm going to show you that bass riff at the start as well, and you can weave that into the song if you feel confident enough to do so, but the bass riff goes like this, A minor, and then I'm going to walk down the E strings. So that's an A minor chord, and then I'm picking the bass E string, the fat one, on the 4th fret, and I'm just walking 4, 3, 2, 1 open, and then quickly transitioning to the F chord and the E chord. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, F, E. So that's the bass opening riff. The verse, just like the rest of the song, A minor, F and E, so start on there. Oh my God, we're back again, F. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing, F, E. So everybody, everywhere, F. Don't be afraid. afraid, don't have no fear. Gonna tell the world, gonna make you understand. Okay, so you get the hang of that. That's pretty easy too. Now the pre-chorus is when the vocals go, you know, pretty sickly sweet and high. They go into the sort of the high register. And the pre-chorus, I tend to start it on the A minor 5th fret bar chord to reflect the higher pitch of the vocals. So we'll just do it now. Am I original? If am I the only one? If am I sexual? Yeah. And then the only change in the entire song is the next part of the pre-chorus, where it doesn't go to the A minor, it just goes F, E again. Am I everything you need to better rock your body now? Quite high. Everybody, back to the chorus. Body, F, E, A minor, F, E. Now there's one other thing I do in the playthrough, which is a bass strings. Do one of those things just to mix it in a bit. I'll show you how that works now at the end of the pre-chorus. Am I everything you need to rock your body now, everybody, yeah. One more time. Am I everything you need to better rock your body now, everybody. So all I'm doing, everything F, need to E, rock your body, and when you get to the words now, doesn't matter where you start, just start anywhere, pick that heavy or the fat E string, straight to the A minor, body, back to the. Now the last verse of the song is where they do away with all the music, and it becomes one of those sort of quiet, I guess talking type verses. And that's where I just bring it up to the bar chords A minor on the 5th fret here. Chord patterns will be on the screen. And then I do the F on the, what's that, the 10th fret. And the E is 1 fret down on the 9th fret. So it goes like this. Where are the lyrics? So everybody, everywhere, don't be afraid, don't have no fear. Gonna let the world make you understand. And then I go all the way back down to the bass F chord. As long as there'll be music, we'll be E coming back again. A minor, again. And then you do this little run. All the way up to the 12th fret. I'm holding that A minor shape from the 1st fret, and I'm just hitting those strings and running my fingers all the way up to the 12th fret. And that's where you hit the chorus again to bring the song home. Everybody, yeah. And just have fun bringing the song home. Don't forget to watch my playthrough. You'll see how I did it. I had a lot of fun learning the song and singing it. And to be honest, I think this might be one of, you know, sort of like your top 3 or 5 songs that you have in your song repertoire. When somebody says, Dean, let's pull out a song, let's have a sing-along. I reckon, for me personally, this is one of them because I just love this song. Okay, just quickly, I'm going to give you the basic strum pattern and then a bit more advanced one. So the basic strum pattern is you'll see it on the screen there, down, up, block, down, down, block. Now a block is when I'm sort of strumming down and then I'm muting the string. That's a block. So down, a block, down, down, block, down, a block, down, block, down, a block, down, down, block, down, a block, down, down, block. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah. So just practice that pattern. Now the key to strumming is really, I know it's a mechanical exercise, but often I think you just got to close your eyes and just hear the song in your head and then just practice strumming without even doing chords. Just mute the strings and go, everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, everybody. Okay, that's the way to practice strumming. That's how I practice anyway. I recommend you do that too. And of course, the more advanced strumming is you're just throwing a few more up strums in that pattern. So I'll have a go now. Those up strums will come a bit more naturally to you as you practice a lot of, like I showed you just before, closing your eyes. Everybody, yeah, rock your body. Just have fun, up and down with your strumming hand, closing your eyes, and just replaying the song in your head. So there you have it, folks. That is Everybody, Backstreets Back by the Backstreet Boys. I loved bringing this one to you. I love practicing the song and learning it, and hopefully you've got something out of today. Now, don't forget to get the free song sheet from a Patreon page down below. And while you're there, get all the song sheets that I've done from a previous lesson so you can build up your songbook just like I'm doing with mine. And while you're at Patreon, if you like what I do, you can support my work by subscribing to one of the tiers. It's all on the Patreon page, details below. But any sort of support from you guys is just, really massively appreciated. So thanks for watching. Everybody, yeah, rock your body, yeah, everybody, rock your body right. So if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, stay in touch with the 90s boy band series or any of my songs, because on this channel I do those forgotten songs that we all love to remember. So until next week, folks, Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.